Yes, guys, so this is the outside patio, the front porch or patio, whatever you want to call it, but this is a nice little design. You have your own privacy. You know, you can sit right here, have a little drink, you know, with a significant other or just by yourself. You understand? Yeah. Nice little, what's this, like a wicker basket type of lampshade. All right, y'all, so we're inside of the cabin. This is the bedroom, right? So it's like a studio style type of apartment cabin. This is a nice, first of all, I just want to say everything is super clean, guys. The bed, the kitchen, bathroom, everything is amazing. Look how beautiful this is. So they have the lighting fixtures on both ends. You have a nice little window thingy, like a window screen right here. We have a nice little art, you know, just to make the room pop a little bit. We have the curtains, you know, the TV. Let's go to the bathroom. Yo, I'm gonna get out of the video for a second and show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so this is a window. That's pretty stylish. That's like a dive-in type of boat style, ocean type of window. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom is super clean, guys. Toilet is clean, everything's clean. You know, it's nice and white. It gives you that, you know, luxury feeling, that luxury look. Now we're about to check out the kitchen, my favorite place in this cabin, guys. The kitchen is a nice little studio type kitchen. It's not a large like home style kitchen, guys. You're on vacation, you shouldn't even be thinking about cooking anyways, right? So you have a nice little hot plate, you do your thing. We have the kitchen sink, cutting board. Check this out. That's huge. That's a nice little sink, and I like the bronze gold design. You have your little plants right here, paper towel, utensils. You have your cups, glasses, plates, the whole works. Look at that, guys. Amazing. And like I said, guys, the bedroom is nice. I couldn't have asked so much more, guys. This is just what I was looking for. Nice, simple, cozy. Deandra, where are David? You ready for some food? All right. Yeah, so that's the cabanas over there, pool area, and also upstairs they have some, I guess some like the actual concrete rooms. See? Yes, guys, welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Another day in the life of a personal chef, the best chef in Orlando. Yeah, man. So we are Travelers Beach Resort in Negril, Jamaica, and we are check out them fry plant right now. We are check out them quesadilla, chicken quesadilla. We are check out them fish sticks, you know, fish wrap, the coconut strip. We are check out everything right now. Yes, me I say. Yeah, man. So right now, I start off with the what's it? Say plant look nice, right plant, you know. Not normal. So we'll try out the wrap right now. This is some sour cream. I dip my quesadilla in the sour cream. This is a jerk chicken quesadilla, guys. So I'm gonna let you know how the jerk chicken quesadilla is, you know, and if you're ever in Negril, Jamaica, you can come check out Travelers Beach Resort Restaurant. You see me I say? My God. Wow. You know, say, last night, me and my wife I talked about scotch bonnet pepper in America, in Florida, and we say, for some reason, it kind of tastes weird. It's not the same flavor, not the same spice level, you know? And after my first bite from this right now, I can tell you guys, the scotch bonnet pepper in Florida and America are not normal. It's a foolishness. This right here the Scotch bonnet in this, the jerk, all of the seasoning them combined together is on a different level, another level. So I'm gonna take one more bite and then make a know what I go on. If it's, you know, a hit or a pass. Alright, is me I say? Jaja. When you hear that cocktail, 5 o'clock. So, this is nothing normal, guys. It's amazing. So now, my wife go give me some of her fish sticks. I'm gonna sample it. I'm gonna tell them what I want. And then she go sample my quesadilla. It's me I say. But I don't put her by the camera right now, you know, because she's kind of camera shy. So I don't do that. What's up? You say crispy, guys. Crispy and nice, you know.
How's the coconut? Let me try it on here.
I don't know.
The coleslaw is really good. That's good. Oh, this is nice. I'm so young, man.
Want to see that? This is... Yeah. This is fresh catch of the day or something like that. Because you can see all of the different layers inside of the damn, you know, battered snapper, fried snapper, fillet, or whatever it's called. But right now the food's so good, I'm confused. I'm speechless right now, but I'm last for it. But trust me, it's good. My God. Right now, the way it's looking, Cherish, I feel give me a sample of coconut shrimp, you know. It's like, it's huge. Wow. So that, yeah, so we'll dip it in the same sauce, right? So sour cream. Or this don't even, yo, the sour cream don't even taste like sour cream. It tastes like a little mixture of sour cream, blue cheese, feta cheese mixed together. Man, I tell you. And then they gave you some cocktail sauce on the side. Yo, thing wicked. Watch out. My one sauce me I make around here, you know. You don't know we're in Jamaica, so we are freestyle, you know. And my wife here forced the coleslaw upon me right now to try it. But I'm gonna try it. Hold on there.
Jamaica.
It's a lifestyle moment, baby.
That is not enticing. Everybody has to get in their throat with all that food.
Just a hater.
Here.
That's why I'm not getting on food. Yeah, so coleslaw. I'm not gonna know what I'm going right now. Jaja.
What am I?
It's my wipe my mouth. Jaja. That's my new phrase right now, you know, guys. Jaja.
When you wait at table, licking man today said Jaja.
Yeah, man, but guys, pan a real. So far, everything that I tried, excellent. You know, some face shine and red. The heat in the normal right now outside hot, you know, but it's a good heat. It's not like the heat in Florida where make you want to stay inside. You know, this kind of weather make you want to stay outside and stay up on the beach. Yes, me I say. Yes, guys. So belly full right now. I'm not lie. Belly full. Food was amazing. No complaints. Can't complain. You know, everything so far 10 out of 10. No cap. Yeah, man. So let me say, if you never come to Jamaica and you know, want to visit Negril, this is a nice little getaway, you know, private getaway for you know. You see me I say? Yeah.